welcome to our next video on life skills for younger learners. And today we're going to be tackling how to fold washing. So I am going to be showing you a simple technique to fold socks, to fold leggings, to fold t-shirts, to fold jumpers, to fold shorts, to fold joggers and trousers, and finally to fold your towels. So come and join me. So to fold a t-shirt, what you first of all need to do is make sure that the back is facing upwards and it's nice and flat on a flat surface. Then you need to bring the side into the middle and the other side into the middle, and then you bring the bottom up to the top. And then you flip it over and there is your folded t-shirt. Now if you want it smaller, you can fold it again. And some people like to stack their t-shirts one behind the other in their drawer, so you can always, if you wanted to, fold it one more time. Then it's in a really small and neat package. To do a jumper or a long sleeve t-shirt, it's the same pretty much as a t-shirt. You bring the sides in and then you flip the sleeve down, and then you bring this side in and you flip the sleeve down, and then just like the t-shirt, bottom to the top. And there's your folded jumper. Again, if you wanted it into a smaller package for a drawer, you can always fold it in half and then stack them one behind the other. Fold shorts, you just lay them flat out, one side to one side, bottom to top, and then you can fold side to side. Okay, for your trousers, you're going to take them flat out on your bed or your surface, and you're going to fold one side to the other, and then you're going to flip the bottom to the middle and the top to the middle, and then fold it in half. Now for leggings, it's exactly the same. So one side to the other, then the bottom to the middle, the top to the middle, and then fold it. So for a pair of socks, you need to lay one out, put the other one the opposite way, and then if you fold, fold and fold, and then if you turn it over, you'll see the top of the sock. You can just fold that over to make a nice package. Again, these are easily stacked this way into drawers. So the last thing I want to show you is how to fold a towel. It doesn't matter whether it's a tea towel or a bath sheet, you can fold them in the same way. So if you fold this into thirds first of all, and then if you flip it round and fold into thirds. Now again, if you want a slightly smaller package, you can just fold it over like so. So another way to fold a towel, if you want to fold it to put, say, in a bathroom basket, is to fold it into thirds again. And this time, when you fold it over, you then can roll it a little bit like a sausage. And then these can be either put onto little shelves or put up in baskets in your bathroom. Such a simple video, but really very useful, because people find sometimes folding clothes a bit tricky and they get in a bit of a pickle. So now you should be able to help your grown-ups, and then when you grow up and move out of home, you should be pros at folding your washing. Let me know if there are any videos that you would like to see, and I will see you next time for more life skills.